Hi everyone. One of the rarest forms of sand, star sand, is both a beautiful sight and a scientific marvel. Found on the Taketomi, Hatoma, and Iriomote islands of Japan, star sand is exactly what the name implies small, millimeter sized pieces of sand in the shape of stars. At first glance, the beaches look like any other. Only when visitors take a closer look at the beach they stand on does it become clear that this is no ordinary sand. Despite the small size of the sand particles, beachgoers have no problem seeing this incredible five-pointed star shape with the naked eye. Unlike most beaches, the sand of Hoshiona Beach and other surrounding Japanese beaches is not made up of rocks and minerals, but rather of the remnants of previous organisms. Each little star is the exoskeleton of pointy husks of millions of tiny protists, which are single-celled organisms known as foraminifera. This means that though the sand is no longer alive, it once was part of a living organism in the Pacific Ocean. As the waves roll in on the beach, the water carries with it the shells and exoskeletons of these tiny organisms, constructing the unique shoreline. This particular star-shaped species of foraminifera, known as Baculogypsina spirulata, is found only in the coral reefs of East Asia, making this special sand shape one of the rarest in the world. A folktale from Taketomi-jima describes the star-shaped shells as the children of the polar star and the southern cross, devoured and spat out again by a giant serpent which served the seven dragon god of the sea. Human beings have studied foraminifera since at least the 5th century before Christ, when Herodotus noted their presence in the limestone of Egyptian pyramids. The French naturalist Alcide de Orbigny, considered the father of modern micropaleontology, personally classified thousands of species in both France and the Americas. Between the years 1826 and 1833, d'Orbigny toured South America for the Paris Museum of Natural History. During his trip, d'Orbigny gathered over 10,000 different specimens across a very broad spectrum. Today, scientists often use foraminifera as reference points in the study of climate change over long periods of time. Foraminifera often live symbiotically with microalgae, and together they play an important role in coral reef ecosystem via production of carbonate sands and buffering daily pH changes. Combined with pollen samples from deep sea cores and isotopic analysis, the variety of foraminifera species, their physical size, and even sexual dimorphism are valuable in establishing and confirming the existence of climatic zones in ancient seas. Thank you.